I'm John, and in this lesson, we're going to learn 31 vocabulary words for weather. Number 1, hot. I can't believe how hot it is outside. Yeah, it must be 90 degrees already. A high temperature. Examples. It was so hot that they decided to stay indoors. The hot weather made them want to go to the beach and cool off in the ocean. Number 2, heat. This heat is unbearable. Yeah, I don't even want to go outside. Air with a high temperature. Examples. They looked for shade to escape the heat. The heat wave caused the town population to stay inside. Number 3, warm. What should I wear today? Well, it's warm out, so I'd recommend a t-shirt. A comfortably high temperature. Examples. The warm spring weather was perfect for a picnic. After a cold morning, the weather became warm and sunny. Number 4, humid. I absolutely love the temperature in the tropics. It's nice when it's a dry heat, but when it's humid, it's just horrible. When air feels wet. Examples. The humid air made her feel very tired. Today isn't just hot, it's humid too. Number 5, cool. Do you think it's too cold to eat outside tonight? It's a little cool, but not so bad. A light jacket should be fine. In between warm and cold. Examples. The cool breeze from the ocean was refreshing on a hot day. As the sun set, the temperature dropped and it became cool. Number 6, cold. I can't even function when it's this cold. Let's go inside and warm up with some hot cocoa. A low temperature. Examples. She wrapped a scarf around her neck to protect against the cold weather. The cold morning air was a shock after getting out of bed. Number 7, freezing. Have you looked outside? There's ice everywhere. It's absolutely freezing. Make sure to wear a warm coat. A very low temperature. Examples. He put on his heaviest coat to prepare for the freezing temperatures. The night was freezing, so they wrapped themselves up in warm blankets. Number 8, sun. It's been cloudy all week. I can't stand it. Have you looked out the window? The sun is out. The big star in the sky. Examples. They applied sunscreen to protect their skin from the sun. The sun was setting, casting a golden glow over the city. Number 9, sunny. What a beautiful day for a hike. Absolutely, it's so sunny and not a cloud in the sky. Bright weather because of the sun. Examples: the forecast predicts a sunny day with high temperatures. They enjoyed the sunny weather at the park. Number 10. Come out. Do you think we'll see the sun come out at all today? The weather report said the clouds should clear by the afternoon. When the sun appears in the sky. Examples: after the morning rain, the sun came out and dried up all the puddles. They waited for the sun to come out before going outside. Number 11. Clear. Will we be able to see the meteor shower tonight? The forecast says it'll be clear, so we should have a great view. When the sky is free of clouds. Examples: on a clear day, you can see the mountains in the distance. After a foggy morning, it turned into a clear and bright day. Number 12. Fog. I can barely see the road in this fog. Drive slowly. It should lift in a short while. Some clouds near the ground that make vision difficult. Examples: the fog was so dense that a school delay was announced. She loved watching the distant morning fog from the harbor. Number 13. Foggy. It looks pretty foggy outside. Do you think our flight will be delayed? It's possible, but let's hope it clears up soon. When vision is difficult because of fog. Examples: he woke up to a foggy morning and decided to postpone his run. The foggy weather gave the town a mystical appearance. Number 14. Cloud. I'm trying to get a tan, but there's a cloud blocking the sun. Just wait. It'll be gone in a few minutes. It's moving fast. White or gray shapes that look like pillows in the sky. Examples: the children sat on the grass pointing out the shapes of the clouds. The sky was full of clouds, but no rain was forecasted. Number 15. Cloudy. Do you think it'll rain? It's so cloudy out. It looks like it. Only time will tell. When the sky is covered with clouds. Examples: the beach was less crowded on cloudy days, which they actually preferred. The forecast said cloudy with a chance of rain later in the afternoon. Number 16. Ice. Be careful on the sidewalk. There's ice all over. Thanks for the heads up. I'll walk on the grass to avoid slipping. Frozen water. Examples: they decided to go skating on the perfect layer of ice which formed overnight. The ice on the windshield took a while to scrape off before he could drive. Number 17. Icy. Did you hear the weather warning about icy roads? Yeah, I'm going to work from home today to avoid the commute. Covered with ice. Examples. The steps were icy, so they put down salt to melt the ice. The ground is icy, so be careful where you step. Number 18, wind. The wind is really picking up. Do you think a storm is coming? It feels like it. Let's get ready just in case it gets bad out. Moving air outside. Examples. The wind was strong enough to bend the trees. The strong wind signaled the coming storm. Number 19, windy. It's so windy outside that my umbrella turned inside out. On days like this, it's better to wear a raincoat. When the wind is strong and frequent. Examples. The windy conditions were perfect for sailing. The windy weather caused the outdoor market to close early. Number 20, breeze. This breeze is so refreshing on such a warm day. Absolutely. It's nice when there's a bit of wind to cool things down. A gentle wind. Examples. They enjoyed the light breeze while sitting in the park. The soft evening breeze helped her calm down. Number 21, snow. Do you think we'll get snow for Christmas? It's definitely cold enough. Hopefully we'll have a white Christmas. Soft frozen water that falls from the sky. Examples. The children were excited to see snow when they woke up. The snow began to fall gently, covering the streets in a soft blanket. Number 22, snowy. How was your drive through the mountains? Challenging. The roads were snowy and visibility was low. Covered with snow. Examples. They spent the weekend in a snowy cabin, skiing and snowboarding. The snowy landscape was beautiful, but it made driving conditions dangerous. Number 23, hail. Look at the weather forecast. It says there might be hail this afternoon. Hail? I'd better park my car in the garage to protect it from damage. Hard frozen water that falls from the sky. Examples. The sudden hailstorm caught them by surprise during their hike. The loud noise hitting the roof turned out to be hail. Number 24, rain. Do you think we need to water the garden, or will the rain be enough? With all the recent rain we had, I'd say the garden is happy. Water that falls from the sky. Examples. The sound of rain against the window helped her sleep. They canceled the outdoor event due to the expected rain. Number 25, wet. I'm soaked. It's completely wet out there. Hang your coat up to dry, and I'll get you a towel. Covered in liquid or rainy conditions. Examples. The wet streets reflected the city lights after the evening downpour. The children didn't mind getting wet in the rain. Number 26. Showers. The weather forecast mentioned showers for today. Yeah, but they'll start later. Let's carry an umbrella just in case. Rain that falls at different periods. Examples. During the spring, the region frequently experienced afternoon showers. As the showers passed, a beautiful rainbow appeared. Number 27. Drizzle. Is it raining hard, or is it just drizzling? Just drizzling. You might not even need your umbrella. Light rain. Examples. It started to drizzle as they reached the summit of their hike. As they walked through the park, it began to drizzle. Number 28. Pour. Look at it pour outside. The rain is coming down in buckets. I'm glad we're inside. I wouldn't want to be caught out in that. Heavy rain. Examples. As soon as they started the barbecue, it began to pour. They had to stop driving because it was pouring so hard they couldn't see the road. Number 29. Thunder. Did you hear that thunder last night? It was so loud. Yeah, it woke me up a few times. A loud noise during a storm. Examples. The distant thunder warned of an approaching storm. She hid under her covers when she heard the thunder. Number 30. Lightning. The lightning last night was spectacular. I know, I got some great photos of it lighting up the sky. The electricity during a storm. Examples. The lightning illuminated the night sky, followed by the sound of thunder. During the hike, they saw lightning in the distance. Number 31. Thunderstorm. Looks like a thunderstorm is coming. Should we cancel our plans? Let's wait it out. Sometimes they pass quickly. A storm with thunder and lightning. Examples. The picnic was cut short by a sudden thunderstorm. They watched the thunderstorm from their window. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider becoming a channel member, an English fan, or English explorer. Quiz questions are in the community section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.